Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about The Power Book Summary Part 5. In this part, we discuss about feeling is creation. Feeling is creation. Okay. Our feeling create magnetic field surround us. Our feeling create magnetic field surround us. This is magnetic field. Okay, this is magnetic field, and that is created by our feeling. Okay, wherever we goes, this field goes with us. In traditional time picture, they shows aura. Okay, aura surrounding a person. What does this aura mean? Aura is electromagnetic field. Aura is electromagnetic field surrounding a person. Okay, with this field you can attract anything in your life. With this field you can attract anything in your life. It's determined by whether your field is positive or negative. If your field is positive, you will attract positive thing. On the other hand, if your field is negative, you will attract negative field in your life. In every moment of your life, if you are giving love by your words, by your action, by your feeling, by your thought, you are adding more love in this field, and you will get more things that you love in your life. Okay, that is your magnetic field. By this you can attract anything in your life. Okay, second most important thing, point of creation. Point of creation. Okay, if you think that your desire is so big, by thinking like that you are creating so many difficulties and time delay for receiving this, because there is no concept of small and big in front of law of attraction. You have to think like that your desire is like a size of dot. You have to think like that your desire is like a size of dot, because it is size of dot for law of attraction. Okay, you don't think like that your desire is so big. By thinking like that you are creating so much difficulty and time delay for receiving like that. Okay, then third most important thing we are talking about in this concept, third most important thing, that is how to change something negative. How to change something negative. Okay, how to change something negative. Okay, uh, if something negative happen in our life, how we change? You have to imagine with feeling of love. You have to feel like that, as you already have what you want to achieve in your life. I will make you understand with an example. Okay, suppose a person is injured. Suppose a person is injured and he is taking medical help. Instead of taking medical help, his condition is not improving. Means that he's thinking more about his injury. His imagination as feeling has more injury than imagining and feeling full recovery. He's more focused on his injury. That's why his condition is not improving. He should imagine and feeling full recovery. If he start feeling and imagining full recovery, he should not contradict by saying people he's not improving, he's not improving. By doing that, he start feeling and imagining injury again, worse again. That's why worse will happen in your life. He should be main focus on full recovery instead of focusing and imagining feeling on injury. If he focus on full recovery, he will get full recovery. This is power of law of attraction. This is how to change something negative. Then how to eliminate how to eliminate bad things. How to eliminate bad thing? You should not try to get rid from bad thing. You should not try to get rid from bad thing. You should not try to get rid from anger. You should not try to get rid from sadness. Okay, you have to put love on this. You have to put love on this. If you continue putting love on this, your bad feeling automatically remove. Okay, how can you do that? I will let you understand with the example. I will make you understand with the example. You should not say like that, I will not angry again, I will not angry again, I will not sad again. You should not say like that, you should not think like that. Okay, I will not angry again, I will not sad again. Instead of this, you have to say that I am very calm person. Instead of saying I will not angry again, I will not angry again, you have to say like that, I am very calm person. You should not say like that, I will not sad again, I will not sad again. Well, you, instead of this, you have to say that I am very happy. Means I want to say that you have to continuously put love in this. You have to continuously put positive feeling in that. You will see automatically your bad feeling will remove. Okay, this is the way you can eliminate your bad thing. Then do not resist bad things. Do not resist bad thing. Everything in this universe have a perfect place. Even your bad feeling also have a perfect place. You should not try to resist bad feeling. If you have bad feeling, you can if you have bad feeling, you should not try to resist it. Okay, because if you are feeling bad about bad thing, like if you are feeling bad about bad thing, you are giving power to more bad feeling. By doing that, you are giving more power to bad feeling. That's why your bad feeling can exaggerate. But how you can resist it? You have to think like that, life is like a fun. By doing this, you will get great thing in your life. If you take your life so much seriously, you will get serious thing in your life. Okay, but how, main point is that how to resist bad thing. Okay, you have to imagine like that your bad feeling is like a wild horses. You have to imagine like that your bad feeling is like a wild horses of anger, horses of anger, horses of blaming, horses of cranking. You have to name like that. You have to name like your bad feeling: angry horse, blaming horse, cranking horse. If you feel disappointment in any point of your life, if you are feeling disappointment for anything in your life, okay, you have to say yourself, I don't want to climb in disappointment house. I don't want to climb in disappointment horse. I don't want to go where it is going, because it will add more disappointment in my life. By doing that, by feeling that, by imagining that, you will see you can easily resist your bad thing. Okay, this is about part 5. Feeling is creation. I think you understand. Thank you.